Back to the video. Today it's the boys' day, and Keek, Ari. I don't know if it's a boys' day for him or her, but we don't know yet. So I was just clearing out this. Manuel helped me a little bit, so thumbs up for him for helping me a little bit. So we're not really going to add the toilet paper. Well, the paper. I don't know what it's called, but I'm not gonna add that today because I'm a little bit lazy.
Towels.
But so nope, leave it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause this video real quick. If I get the stuff done, I'll review it. So yeah, 1 second. All right, guys. Video's been paused for a while. I finally got it done. Yeah, it looks pretty good. If I don't say so myself, I guess. Who wants to try it first? You? You?
Let's see.
You? Oh, you want to try it first? All right, Diego is trying it first. He actually loves this fort.
Down. Let's camera it.
You can tell because he's using a ladder first thing. All right. Ari, you want to go? Ari, no. One hand at a time. Get out of here, Sonny. Ari, want to try? Come on, Ari. Good boy, Ari. What are you, boy or girl? Oh, and he wants to try that. Sonny. All right, and here we go. I want to try that. All right. So I'm going to try to get Ari on the floor, see if he wants to try that, so we'll get there. All right, guys, I got him. Ari's on the perch. Diego's climbing up. Sonny got up there, and we had a little accident while transporting, so I want to explain the accident. You see the eyes of the bird?
Is that the wheel?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. But, what are you talking about?
So, we got Dogman Browse the Wild and one
Annie.
of the purple Ramas. It looks like Dogman.
Tell them we're a fan. Show them. Show
We
them.
have
That.
all the Dogmans.
Yeah, boy. You're hiding it. Here. Let me have it. Let me have it. Let me see it. There. This is what we have.
Yep, we have all
Celebration. We got it yesterday.
Woo!
But yeah.
And we have Bad
And
Bad
everybody's up here. Is this everybody's favorite place? Oh. And Diego wants to explore. What were you doing back there? His head was like all the way back. Well, looks like we're gonna have to end this video. Say bye, birdies. Also,
Oh no.
in case you're ever mistaken, I can't find Diego. Where's Diego?
He's right
That's
there.
Diego. Diego, I'm trying not to
He's
step
the
on
one
him.
who's darker.
And Sunny, that's Sunny, the light one, and that's Ari. So yeah,
Yellow.
three
one
birds.
piece.
3 birds with 3 names. You know, it's kind of hard to keep track. Sunny and Diego are probably the most. Probably the most. What was I gonna say? Mistaken because they're both cockatiels. So that's Sunny. That's Diego. All right, Diego's darker. Sunny's lighter. So yeah, it's all done. And Ari's still trying to bully others.
Well, he's
So,
still
yeah.
learning.
Yeah, he's a little geek. Alright guys, we'll see you later in another video. So, bye. Bye. Goodbye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yellow.